Everyone, and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, in this video I will be explaining you with the help of 15-minute chart, 2 hour chart, daily, and then finally weekly chart, so you'll understand how the price is moving for so long. If you look at this particular trend, see, there is a continuous upside we have seen, okay, as well as if you see this trend, we have seen a hammer is forming. Okay, so there is a probability that we can see that after the forming this hammer, we can see there is a bullish. So that is where we have seen that trying to go upside started $51.10. Okay, and because this level is already weak, so we can see the price was continuously moving upside. Okay, now the price is trading above a level of $5278. Okay, on a week chart, we can see that the next resistance directly coming at $5608. Okay, this is a resistance one, and a probability of going further upside can be seen. So before I move ahead and explain you how the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the trend we can see on weekly chart. Okay, and chances are high that after this level we can see it will go directly towards all time high, and from there it can cross this level. But if it keep coming below that level, it can touch a level of $51.16, and from there a level of $58.8. Okay, and once started going below that level, we can see after crossing $58.8 directly the price will go below 5,000, and it can touch a level of 4978. Okay, which is a support 3. Okay, from there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall. Okay, further downfall after $49.78, there is a higher chances it can move towards $48.84. And if the price falling below that level, we can see it will move towards 48.44. Okay, this is what we can see, which is a support 5. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, coming back on a day wise chart where you'll understand how the price can move on the day wise basis. Okay, because see, weekly chart is continuously showing trend upside, as well as we have seen a hammer is forming showing an upside trend. Now if the price started going below that level, see, 52.42 is a strong level, that is a support one. We can see a bounce back from that level. Okay, if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall. But if the price started going upside, we can see directly it is moving towards 54.20, which is a resistance one. So remember, these two levels are very important. Below this level we can see further fall, and the next resistance, if the price keep moving for around 5278, probability of touching 54.20 is there. As we have seen, the war situation is higher, so we can see a probability of touching 54.20 will be there. And if the price moving off this level, we can see a level of $51, which is a resistance too. And if the price going off that particular level, we can see it will move towards $56.10. Okay, and if the price going above that level, a further upside can be seen. This is an all-time high. Okay, so trail your SL by around $20 to $30 or $30 to $40, so at least you'll capture upside movement. But if it keep moving below a level of 50 to 42, chances are high it will move further down towards a very close support of 50 to 30, which is a support 2, and from there we can see it can move towards 50 to 70. And once started going below that level, the strong level coming at directly at 5128. Okay, first strong level is 5242, second is $5126 or 5128. From these levels we can see a bounce back. Okay, now coming back on a 2 hour chart, what you can see, coming back on a 2 hour chart, what you can see, coming back on a 2 hour chart, you can see the prices already above this level. In the month of Feb, in the starting month of Feb, we have seen this level, or in the last week of Jan. Okay, and chances are high because the price has touched this level after a long time, that is around 1 month, if we go on a 2 hour chart basis. So we can see it can move towards $53-$30. See, on 2 hour chart basis as well as day wise and weekly, there will be SL is different, quantity is different, target is different, and trailing SL, all things are different. So if the price started going upside, we can see a level of 53.31, from there a level of 53.67, and from there it will move towards 54.20 to a level of 54.52, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen. But if it started coming towards 55, we can see a bounce back. But if the price didn't bounce back, it went touch 52.16, then to a level of $51.19. Okay, from there a bounce back can be seen. But if the price didn't bounce back, a further fall. Trail your SL by around $20 to $30 or downside depending on your risk. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. There is a war situation is coming, so we can see there is a higher chance of further upside. The next level is above for 5400, or if it started going below 52.26, we can see a further fall. Okay, and now you have to understand there are a lot of geopolitical events are coming, so we can see there will be a volatility in the gold prices. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. If you want workshop, if you have any query, you just mail me and then we can work out on the timings.